Today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 235 different strategies, with 75 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 124 of the other strategies that we have put it up against. Every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,001 indicators, with 422 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we'll be testing a 5-minute crypto scalping strategy. So the source video says, a leading indicator that will boost your trading effectiveness. And so of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this. What we'll do is just go ahead and turn those indicators off for now. The first indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the price oscillator with colored, this one right here. And so you'll add that to the screen and it will look like this right here. What I'll do is go ahead and turn this one on and turn that one off. We'll go ahead and jump into the settings on this one, and all we are going to do is change some of the visual settings. So first of all, jump into the styles here, and under the styles you're going to go ahead and turn the candle colors off. You're going to turn this background color off and this background color off, and that should be everything. Yep, everything else stays on the default. And the next indicator you'll want to add to the screen is going to be the trend trader buy sell signals, and so this one right here. You'll click on that one, and again we'll jump into the settings on this. And again, we're only going to change the visual settings on it. And so you'll go ahead and uncheck the bar color. You'll uncheck the short period, the long period, and the plots background there, and everything else stays on the default. The last indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the range filter buy and sell 5-minute, this one right here. And so again, you'll click that, add it to the screen, jump into the settings once again, and we're only going to change the style settings, the visual settings. So go ahead and uncheck the bar color, go ahead and uncheck the buy and the sell. And if you want, under the range filter right here, you can change this color 0 to green and this color 1 to red. It's not necessary, but you can do that if you want. And so once all those are set up, you should have what I have on screen now. So what we are looking for a sell signal, so we are looking for the sell tag, the red sell tag from the trend trader indicator. Once we get that sell tag right there, what we are looking for is for the price oscillator, this one down here at the bottom, to give us a red dot like this right here, or a cross to the downside. Not sure I mentioned that. So in the settings under the PP cross signal right here, you can see the little dots, the little circles right here. So the color 0, the one on top here, I changed to green, and the one on bottom I changed to red as well. And so that'll change these colors, the colors of these little dots right here. And so what we're looking for again is the sell signal, sell tag. We're then looking for a dot from the price oscillator. And lastly, we are looking for price to have crossed down below this middle line right here. Once all those line up in some kind of configuration, you can see we get the sell here, and at the same time we get the red dot, but we don't get the cross until right here, the cross to the downside, and that's fine, that's still valid. That'll be our signal into a short position. We're going to set our trade right there. We're going to put our stop just right above this upper line here, or this kind of zone, and then we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward right about there. Let's play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so it takes a little bit, but we eventually make the push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. And for a long trade, what we are looking for is going to be the buy tag or buy signal from the trend trader. We are looking down at the price oscillator, and we want it to give us that green dot like it does right here. And then lastly, we want price to be above the middle line in this case. And you can see here that everything kind of lines up on the same candle right there. So that's going to be our signal into a long. We're going to set our trade there. Again, we're going to put our stop just right below that kind of cloud area there. And we're going to target the same 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Let's go ahead and play this forward and see what we get. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far on the channel. Has been able to maintain consistently in the mid 80% win rate. In the upper corner, you will find a link to the video where you can view the strategy. We'll also put a thumbnail up of the video on screen now, and I will also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on this strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do. Out of those 50 trades, we got 15 winning trades and 35 losing trades, putting it at a 30% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $9,000. On the losing side, you'd have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $14,000 for an overall loss of $5,000 altogether. It's definitely not the indicator that will boost your trading effectiveness, and again, not a leading indicator at all, so a little confused by the overall title of the source video. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator though. On the same period of time, we did 53 trades altogether. We had 46 winning trades and 7 losing trades, putting it at an 85% win rate. If you are looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $27,600. On the losing side, you would have lost $6,300 for an overall gain of $21,300. So significantly better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the weekly signals. So this is using the Academy of Forex indicator on these 4 Forex pairs and this one crypto coin. This is on the 30-minute time frame. We keep track of the signals, the trades that the Academy of Forex indicator signaled each week. Now this isn't the last immediate week. I've been kind of tied up, haven't had a moment to go over this last week, so it's the week before. So on that week, we did 10 trades altogether on the Forex pairs. We had 9 winning trades, 1 losing trade, and 90% win rate would have been a gain of $4,620. On the crypto coin, we had 3 trades, 2 winning trades, 1 losing trade, a gain of $420 for an overall gain on the week would have been $5,040. On the 18-week total now, we would have been up $37,180 at 156 trades. You see more information, more stats on the strategy here and the growth of the equity there. So really good stuff from the Academy of Forex indicator. Alright, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to put this one on the no list and we'll move on to the next video from here.